A lot of people think that if you do an exercise, like squatting for example, and you hurt yourself squatting, that you should just avoid that exercise for the rest of your life. It is going to cause more harm than good. So let's dive into this. If you do squats, for example, we're just using squats, this could be any exercise, and you hurt your knees, you immediately, your brain says squatting hurts my knees, right? So you're already making that association. So your brain is psychologically basically telling you you shouldn't do that movement because it doesn't want you to get more harmed. When in reality, we should be trying to do similar exercises that can help to build our tissue tolerance and to reprogram your mind that it is not necessarily going to cause more pain in the future. Because if we avoid that movement, it's going to make pain worse in the future when we try to do that movement again. So we're trying to kind of reprogram our mind for this idea that we can do that movement. It did cause maybe a little bit of pain that time, but it's hard to say that that specific movement is actually what caused us to have pain. And that's the big thing at the end of the day. It could be the fact that maybe we just slept poorly, so we were under-recovered, and that's why squats caused pain that day. Or maybe we, for example, we just under-ate on calories, so we weren't eating enough food, and that was the reason why, right? So we were under-recovered again. A lot of times, it's not because of the movement, it's because of our programming around it and also our mindset around it. If you are constantly around people who tell you not to squat because of knee pain or not to deadlift because it's going to cause you back pain, your brain is literally going to tell you you shouldn't do that because guess what? You're going to hurt yourself. Or you shouldn't do that because the last time you did it, he hurt himself and you don't want to hurt yourself too, right? So trying to reframe your mind and do similar exercises to get you back into it is going to be the name of the game. So for example, a similar exercise to squatting could be some leg press, or maybe doing sit to stands in a chair. So getting up and out of a chair numerous times in a high chair that's not too low for you so it doesn't cause and get that knee pain. You're trying to, again, desensitize your body to that movement, try to get you to realize that everything is going to be okay. And over time, you will gradually build that tissue tolerance again, back up to the point where you're good to go and you're super, super strong and fit.